family trip to Florida. Where are we?
We're at the airport.
We're at the airport. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, here we go.
It was awesome.
Yeah? What are we about to do now?
We're about to hang out with Nana and Papa in Florida.
Well, we're about to land. You gotta land first.
And I see the big city lights.
That's only Punta Gorda. It's not huge.
Dang it.
Say hello.
Hello.
Where are we?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Show them everybody before I say. Heather and Macy, Uncle Joe, Aiden, and me.
Oh,
Dad's shuffling.
what about me?
And Daddy.
Where are we?
And in the house.
Our Airbnb? We finally here?
Yeah.
What are we doing now?
Going to breakfast with Nana Papa.
You weirdo.
We gotta hurry. I need coffee. Sit
I
down.
need it.
What are we doing, Livy?
We're gonna play on the beach.
We headed to the beach. Is the whole family back there?
Yeah. I see dolphins.
right underneath us. Last day of vacation.
So bad.
Yeah, you had to go home. Yeah.
But I'm not sad to me.
What are we doing?
Going home.
Going home? Are you ready to go home? Yeah,
I want to see my babies.
I am too. We gotta see our doggies, huh?
And the kitty cat.
And Blade. Mama, you ready to go home?
Yes.
I mean, it's only... Well, it's 3:10 at home.
It's too early.
4:10 here. It's early, isn't it, Livy? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part of the trip?
Being with Nana.
You over it now? Okay.